In this quick video, I'll show you how you can make your voice sound higher on Discord, so you can just have some fun with your friends in voice chat. So what you need to do, you need to go to Google, you need to go to the search box and search for clownfish. This is going to be a voice changer that we can download to make our pitch higher. So click on this, you can see it's clownfish voice changer. It works for Skype, it works for Discord, and also if you want to use it for YouTube videos. So you can see the voices that they have here. We're just going to be making the pitch higher. So we can go to download and you can download it for whatever version of Windows you're on. I've already got it downloaded, but once you've clicked on the download button, there will be an installation wizard, which you can just open and then run through that. It's a very simple installation wizard. So then once you've got it installed, you can then open start and just type in clownfish, and you should see it here, clownfish voice changer. Now click on it, and it won't open right away, it won't open in a window, but what you can do is you can go down to the bottom right hand corner of your taskbar, and you should see it here, and then here you can right click and set voice changer, and here is clownfish. Now there are different voices you can change your voice to, which you can have fun with, but to change the pitch, all you need to do is click on custom pitch, and here you can either increase or decrease the pitch depending on if you want the pitch higher or lower. So if we want it
higher, we can just go higher here, and my voice pitch now should be higher.
I'm just going to clear the effect, so it should be back to normal. Now to make sure this is working on Discord, all you need to do is go to user settings, go to voice and video, and just make sure your input device is your default microphone that you will normally use. So that's all you've got to do. I hope that video helped you out. Leave a like and subscribe.